Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? And I know that this is not my regular intro, but I thought that I should change things up a bit. So if you are new to my channel, then welcome back. This is Siddhi from Best of Beauty, and if you are a regular subscriber, then love you and thanks for joining me again today. In today's video, I'm actually going to share with you a really new exciting product launch, and I'm obviously going to give you guys a detailed review on it as well, and it's the Makeup Revolution Concealers. So they are called as the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. If you follow me on Snapchat, you know that I ordered these concealers because I really wanted to try them out. I have heard such great reviews about them, and finally they were delivered to me today. So I thought that without any further ado, I should just sit down and shoot a video for you guys and let you know if you should purchase these or not. So let's begin with the video, but before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the red subscribe button, and next to it there's a bell icon. Click on that so that you get notified with everything that's coming on this channel, because there are exciting videos coming up and I really hope you enjoy it. And yeah, let's get started. First, let's start off by talking about the packaging of this product, because packaging is really important, and this is what they look like up close. So as you can see, it's a really nice rose gold packaging and it feels really sturdy and luxurious as well. That's what I really liked about this, and you can see the color as well. So for the packaging, I will definitely give them an A+, and there are around 18 shades available in this particular concealer, which is really good. So you're definitely going to find a shade for yourself. And these retail for 595 rupees, so the price point is not too bad as well. It actually falls in the category of the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as well, so it's really good. I got these concealers on hawkmakeup.com. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box below if you want to purchase it. And also they have 2 stores in Mumbai, so if you live in Mumbai, then maybe you can just go to the store and then figure out the shade for yourself and then purchase it over there. So I have got the shades C10 and C14. So as they have mentioned that you can use these for concealing as well as contouring, so that's why I got 2 shades, and this is what they look like. Okay, so C10 is right here and this is C14. As you can see, C10 has really nice yellow undertones to it, and it's going to suit a lot of skin tones as well. That's the reason I got this. And this is C14, and the reason I got this is because this has nice cooler undertones, so it's going to be really nice for contouring. The applicator on this is really unique, and it's actually very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape applicator, and this is what it looks like. So it's a really thick applicator. So what they've mentioned about this concealer, that this is a lightweight concealer, but yet it provides full coverage, and it's going to even out your skin tone, then cover up your dark circles and your blemishes as well. And this has a matte finish to it, but it won't settle in your fine lines or pores. And this has intense pigmentation and it's long wearing as well, and because of the applicator, it's actually going to make it easier to apply it under your eyes as well. So all of these are claims that we're definitely going to test. So obviously we're going to try out the first shade, which is C10. Also, I have nothing on my face right now, no base makeup, just moisturizer. Now I'm going to take this PAC 272 brush and blend this concealer. Hopefully I haven't applied too much, because they have mentioned that this is a full coverage concealer. Oh my god, the coverage of this is intense. As you can see, the difference between this side and this side, it's drastic. It has definitely covered up all of my dark circles for sure, and it's surprisingly blended really well into my skin. I have applied it on my blemishes as well, so let's see how it covers that. So this is how it looks like once the concealer is all blended into the skin. And now I'm going to try out this second shade, which is C14, and I'm actually going to use this to contour my face today. I'm not using too much because this is a very full coverage product. So this is how it looks like, and as you can see that I've applied way too much product, and that is the reason it looks so muddy on my face. So if you are going to contour with this, then you need the slightest amount of product, and yeah, it actually blended really nicely into my skin and I am loving it so far. So this is how my face looks like once the contouring and the concealing is done as well. I am actually just going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back with you guys. This is the moment that we all have been waiting for, whether to buy this concealer or no. And I think that you should definitely go ahead and get this concealer. First, let's talk about the pros of this concealer, and the one thing that stood out the most to me is actually the shade range. You get 18 shades, so you're definitely going to find a shade for yourself. This is a very good quality concealer, and for the price that you're paying for, like for $5.95, you get a very good concealer. The packaging is really nice. The coverage of this concealer is really good. So if you have dark circles or blemishes and you need some coverage, this is definitely going to be your best friend. And the consistency of this concealer is actually thick, but the good thing is that it blended really nicely into my skin, so that is what I really liked about it. Now obviously, keeping the pros aside, I just wanted to warn you guys about certain things. So the first one is that if you are someone who likes that natural look and you don't like that heavy coverage makeup, then use the tiniest amount of this concealer because it is really full coverage. And the second is that if you are someone who does not know how to contour, and especially cream contour, then do not go for a darker contour shade, because otherwise it's just going to be all messy and muddy on your face and you do not want that. So if you are someone who knows how to contour and you're a pro at cream contouring only, then go for the darker shade and contour with it. Otherwise, I think that you should just go for normal powder contouring if you are a beginner. Makeup Revolution definitely did a very good job at this concealer, and I'm so happy that it's affordable and everybody can purchase it as well. So I really like that. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video thoroughly, and if you have any doubts or queries, again let me know in the comments down below, or you can also actually message me on Instagram, because I reply to all of you guys on Instagram. So send me a message there if you have any doubts. And if you did like this video, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It really means a lot. And obviously follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, because I show you guys a lot of sneak peeks, especially on my Instagram and Snapchat stories. So do follow me over there. And obviously, please hit that subscribe button. I know I'm kind of being annoying right now, but it's okay. I will see you in the next one. Love you.